this is Amy with Flower Moxie, and today myself, Callie, and Jess, we're going to be building a broken arch, also known as a freestanding arch. We got these arches off of eFavorMart. They were less than $100. And for our product, we are using 25 bunches of baby's breath and 50 stems of Playa Blanca roses. For our mechanics, we're just going with straight up chicken wire. When you're working with this, you want to make sure that you use gloves, leather gloves, because it will tear your hand up. And we attach this to the arch using little zip ties.